Get ready to be amazed by Aaron McCartan's daring aerobatics in the XA41 at the 2025 Harold Neumann Barnstormers Aerobatics competition. Aaron's XA41 is powered by a more than 300 horsepower engine. This airframe is made of carbon fiber, giving the XA41 a G rating of plus and minus 12 Gs. Climb aboard and take a ride with us in this high-performance aerobatics machine on Wingspan Adventures in Flight.